Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to brighten eyes in Adobe Photoshop so your portraits look sharper, more vibrant, and more professional. This is a quick beginner-friendly technique that takes only a minute once you know the steps. If you enjoy simple Photoshop tutorials like this, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more editing guides. Now let's jump into Photoshop and get started. First, open your image in Photoshop and zoom into the eyes so you can see details clearly. Press Ctrl and the plus key on your keyboard several times until the eyes fill most of your screen. Next, select the iris using the lasso tool. Press the L key and draw a loose selection around the colored part of the eye while avoiding the eyelids and surrounding skin. Now go to Layer New Adjustment Layer and choose Brightness and Contrast. Slightly increase the brightness and add a small amount of contrast to make the eyes brighter and clearer. For extra color, you can add another adjustment layer. Go to Layer New Adjustment, Layer, choose Hue and Saturation, then increase saturation slightly so the eye color pops. Finally, reduce the layer opacity to keep the effect natural. Lower it somewhere between 50 and 70% until the eyes blend naturally with the photo. And that is it. Bright, vibrant eyes in just a few clicks. If this helped you learn how to brighten eyes in Photoshop, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials.